exam on the 24th May, then this video is for you, and it is global, whether it is computer based or pen based. Yes, I am an ex-IELTS examiner and my predictions have hit. So let's go to the video and why it is important. See, if you don't have time to study because you are working also, especially in Canada, a lot of students are there, and then these tips and what is the level of the exam and what to expect, this video can really help you. So, because I'm going to tell you important questions from each section, especially if you are lagging in your reading and your listening or any kind of section. I will be also telling you the mistakes that you should avoid, the topics and the level. So, coming to the general and the academic listening in section 1 and section 4, both of them are going to be fluent. That means they will be a bit fast. So, in the part 1 there is going to be form completion. So, it is like booking a facility. That is the topic it would be. These are the results, and my Instagram page is there. You can go and find about the results also. I can't, I want to keep it short, but of course I don't want to do an eyewash. So the two people will be speaking in one section. Be prepared for that. And only one person in section 4. And now what are the topics related in section 4? You should be aware. Okay, environment and animals. And of course in section 1 of your listening you should pay attention to name, places, alphabet, things. Okay, and for the tips for the philopsis, please pay attention to this. Don't worry, you will get good marks. So grammar is very important. The grammar helps you to identify the answer. Punctuation, and if it is a direct answer written there, the direct word is there, it will always be wrong because the answers are always paraphrased and the synonyms. So that is a big tip for you. Now coming to section 2, it is just one speaker, MCQ. You have to choose 2 from the 5 and you have to match the speakers with the places and the events. Now this is the topic. Okay. In section 3, of course, there are going to be long MCQs and you have to match the opinions, okay, of the speakers. So, what can you expect? The students will be talking about their assignments and it is going to be fluent. Now, if you are able to do this section properly in listening, you will get 8 at least. So, what you have to pay attention to is the name of the speakers, okay, and of course there are going to be distractors that you should know when they use these but, however, like that. So these are the distractors or the signpost language you can say, and the tip is that you should practice at 1.5 and 1.25 speed in order to get all of them right in section 3 and 4, and you can also get a 9. That is not a big challenge. Then you should pay attention to the spellings, and of course during your exam don't keep on thinking on the question you didn't understand. Go to the next question, and otherwise you will get low band because you will miss more questions. Then in the reading section, again important questions I am going to tell you. There are 14 types of question, but the most important question types I am going to tell you. Don't waste your time. Okay, the important ones are true and false, yes, no, not given. You will get 10 to 12. List of headings and information, you will get 4 to 6. Blanks you get 10 to 12. Writer's opinion you get 3 to 4. And total it could be 23 and 26 depending on your accuracy. These PDFs are available. Immediately you will get in your email. Now, in the reading academic, in passage 1, true, false, not given and sentence completion, the topic would be something historic, okay, history related, okay, so be prepared. Passage 2 is for headings, important information, that is which paragraph contains which information, MCQs, and of course the topic is related to science and innovation, something innovative that was happening. And then in passage 3 you get yes, no, not given, and summary completion, and the matching features. Now the topics could be psychology or related to sociology, and the passages do get repeated. These are the real exam questions are available on my website. These are for the Q cards, part 2 and part 3, and this is part 1. They have been updated. Okay, so this is the website, www.englishwithanitagundra.com, and reading general. Passage 1, true, false, not given, fill-ups. Now the topic would be brochure or a notice. Then passage 2, you'll get the headings. You have to find out the headings, science and tense completion, and the topic would be workplace or related to some community service. And the passage 3 is going to be a bit moderate, yes, no, not given, summary completion, and short question answers. So it is going to be an opinion based article. So if you are reading, you can buy the reading course on my website. Yeah, for the GT, the bronze you can buy, or whatever, gold. And of course this is the website and the WhatsApp number. You can contact me for coaching and evaluation. I am an ex-IELTS examiner. So if you want a 7 band at least minimum in your speaking, then the speaking PDF with all new cards is available along with part 3, and it is from 1 to 45 that are important, and of course they are available, and there is a free community link in the bio. Now in the writing section academic, in task 1 you can have a bar which is of a combination table or a comparative pie charts. There may be 2 or 3 at least. Then task 2, agree, disagree, discuss, and problem solution. Now topics are artificial intelligence, parents and children, advertisement, media, environment, okay, and education. So again, the real exam questions are available on my site. Yeah. Then in general, the formal application, like you have to write an application to a university or something like that, or request some information. So you can buy the bronze course for the writing, and the task 2, agree, disagree, discuss, and double question. And now the level of the academic and the general. The listening would be easy to moderate, and if you are good at it, you will find it easy. But of course it is going to be a bit fast. Academic reading for both is going to be moderate, and GT moderate, because the passage 3 is going to be a bit tough for those who are not prepared. For topics for GT writing are education, parent and children, relationships, and social issues. And tips for the writing is that please manage your time effectively. Don't write too many words, because too many words means too many mistakes. And read the question thrice. Don't attempt without that. Only plan and then write. Otherwise, you will make a lot of mistakes. So practice real exam questions only, I will say, of task 2, which is available in my shop section in the website. And if you want all module preparation, it is available for $399.